Yes, now I start with MS Word 2013. So I've advanced tools. Yes, as I click on the MS Word, the screen will come and we will click on blank document. Once I click on the blank document, you find on top the menu and this is home tab, file tab, insert, design, page layout, references, mailings, review and view tabs are present. Now if you are if you observe, you will find that if you click on home tab, you will find that there are various, the ribbon comes out and there are various options there. Yes. Now suppose I want to insert picture, so I click on the insert. So once I click on the insert, I find that there you will find that in the illustrations group, there is a group called the illustrations group. Yes, it's the ribbon. And in the illustrations group, you can find that you can insert pictures. Yes, you can just bring online pictures, you can bring shapes, you can do smart art, you can create charts and also make screenshots. Okay, and now let us see how do we insert a picture. We click on the picture and now any picture, if I find that the pictures are in the desktop, we can click there and we can bring any of the by clicking on the picture, we can bring the picture right over here. So we can do like this also, and this is a picture, so I bring the picture over here, the picture comes in. So picture can be um, moved up and down. Yes, we can do that. And I have shown you how to insert the picture. Insert, we get from the illustrations group, then picture, and we insert the picture. Now to insert a picture from a file, the first three steps will be that of the same. Yes, and we just click on the particular place from where we have stored it. Now we can increase the particular size by dragging it handler, and we can reduce it also, and we can from the right side on the left side we can reduce it also. And we have another option, that is you'll find right at the particular we can resize, that is the resizing a picture. And what do you mean by resizing the picture? Resizing the picture means changing the size of the picture, and to resize the picture we follow the steps. Click on the picture to select it. So you click it, it is already selected. Click and drag one of the corner sizing handler. So this is the handler, so you can click it like this. Yes, what happens is that the size of the image will change while keeping the same proportions. So when we are pulling from the corners, same proportions are there. And we can do also wrapping text. So when you insert the image, here is the image, we notice that it is very difficult to move it exactly where we want it to be there. And so that why? Because it is only with the in line with the text. You can find over here, this is the layout option, so it is in line with the text, so that's why it is there, we cannot move it. So once we manipulate from the right side, so we can move it. And to wrap the text around the image, we follow the steps, select the image, then we go to the format tab. Yes, we get the format tab, and format tab that appears on the top of the window. Yes, we have the format tab over here. Yes, we have the format tab over here. And from the arrange group, we click on the wrap text tool button. So if you see over here, there is various things over here. You find the adjust is there, we can adjust it, we can compress pictures, change the pictures, reset the pictures, and we can also change the layout from here. Okay, and this is what we can do. So from that arrange so format option, we go to arrange Yes, once we can arrange, we can do whatever we like from here. So we can arrange behind all, we can do from here. So this is the uh, wrap text option. So arrange is here. This is the arrange group, and from the wrap text option we go and we can click the wrap text toolbar. From the menu that appears, just take the pointer to different options one by one, and you can finally select the option you want, whichever is easier. So we can go to behind the text or in front of the text or in line with the text, anyone we like. Okay, so we can do from here, and we can accordingly use it. Okay, so this is what we do in the word wrap. Okay, and then we can have the cropping of an image. We can also crop the image. So how do we crop the image? Like whenever we want to crop the image, we have various things in cropping. So in order to crop the image, we click on the particular picture and go to the format, and we find that the cropping is there in the right hand side. So there is the cropping. So once we go to the format tab and we want to crop, click the crop button in the size group of the ribbon. Cropping handlers will appear, and we can click, hold and drag the handler to crop the image. Okay, and then enter or crop. So crop we do, and we can crop it according to our wish. So we can avoid these things, this part, and we can press enter to crop the image. So we have done on the picture. Now in order to add borders to the picture, what we do, so select the picture. Yes, we have selected the picture like this. Click on it and then select the format tab. You go to the format tab once more and picture border. So you'll find the picture border is there. Yes, picture border is over here, and go and click on it, and you find no outline is there. So you can click it, you can find out this thing. From here we can make the border. That's it, we can create the picture border. Image adjustment tools, we can also find the image adjustment tools. Yes, MS Word has several options for changing the way images appear in your document. Yes, for example, we can add a frame, make image. Yes, we can change the color or the brightness of the picture. So how we do that is a very simple thing. These options you will be available in the adjust tools. I have already shown the adjust tools. If you find in the format, you find the adjust tools is there. Yes, this is adjust, and we can affect the color, artistic color we can do. See all the color we can do. We can move the color fonts. Yes, and we can change the picture we want. We can do whatever thing we want. Yes, so you can find all the options that we can do. Remove the background of the image also, and I have done that. So remove the background. So if you want to remove the background, we go to the format and go to remove the background. So again, when you go to the format, you find all things are there, and you can remove the background. You can remove the background which one you want. So once the background is removed, you will find that you can mark it or mark areas to keep. Okay, you can mark the areas to keep. Suppose you want to keep this part, so this part you can mark and keep. So others you can make the changes, so keep the changes. So this is removing the background. I hope it is this clear to you. So how do you do that? And then again, to create word art, you know that word art is a feature that we have. So you'll find that feature in insert, and there you find the word art. You click on it, and to give quick effects to the text, we follow the steps. So we go to the insert, and then we insert the text box. So whichever we want, we can click on it. So we can do anything of our choice. Yes, and once we do that, we click on it, and we can put this text over here, and we can type the text, whatever text we want. That is a word art. So we can write over here picture, caps lock 1 PICTURE. So this is a picture that we have done, and we can drag to draw the text box also at our desired place we want. Yes, whatever we want we can do that, and this is all about what we can do. Yes, draw text box, we can put it over here also, so we can draw it and write this is good, G-O-O-D, good, and we can click it outside. So there we can use the text box also. Okay, we can change the font also, like how we change the font. We can edit the text and do whatever we like. So there we find the text effects. Whenever we write the pictures, we find the text effects is also there. And if you go to the home tab and you find that insert is there, and we go over here, we also find the text effects. So once we right click on it, okay, and we can change the fonts also from here. Fonts can be changed. Okay, we can do all caps. Okay, we can change it to our style, and we can give OK, so that our particular thing is coming. You can insert the shapes also. If you want, you can insert the shapes. Once we go to the insert option, we can insert the shape from here. So we can do whatever we like. So we can insert the shape over here. We can change the color of the shape. We can fill the color and change it according to our wish. See? So we can do that. So inserting shapes also done. And if you want to put the header and footer we want to do, so that also can be done. We go to the insert, and there we find the header and footer. Header is the top portion. So on top portion we can write, in the header portion we can write as this Word. Yes, Word. That is MS Word. We can write out MS Word. And in the footer we go to insert, and then use a footer where we can put down the page number. So page number is by default given, or we can write today's date. Yes, 21/07/07, and we can write 22. Yes, if we want to do that, and we can rub this out. So this becomes our footer. So this is a footer, and once you come out of the footer, you go and close the header footer. So header on top, over here is the header, and here is the footer. So this is a footer, yes, lightly. So we know to do the header and footer, and we have the change case also. We can do the change case by inserting, and we can, if you want to write something down over here, we can use the change case. Suppose we are writing over here, this text we can bring it over here, and we write over here, India, INDIA, and this one we can use that as a change case. So I do that from here. We have the option of the change case, the home tab you get, and from here you get the cases. You can move to sentence case. Yes, you can move to lowercase. Yes, you can do the uppercase, and you can also do in the capitalize each word. Okay, and you can also do the toggle case. The first letter is small, others are big. So this is all about this particular, some of the advanced features. I hope it is clear to you, and it is very well. You can also practice and make yourself perfect. Thank you everyone. Yes, all the best to you.